then of course we have Remy.
Grabe, ang ganda ng jacket. Bigyan ng jacket.
Ganda dyan.
Next up, we have Tokyo.
And then next on our list of amazing creators, we have Imzo.
Haba ng hair. Those are our KOLs. Of course, we shall not forget our creative support program. Please come up here on stage and introduce yourselves. Grabe no, parang pinag-usapan nila yung grip nila on stage eh.